You requested for this preset, and guess what? Boom! The preset is here. Yeah, now make sure you stick up to the end of this video, because I'm going to break down just a little bit and show you how to use this plugin, how to load this plugin inside Cubase. Remember, we are just using stock plugins, no other fancy or big plugins that you don't have inside here. Stick to the video, let me show you. Okay, first of all, let's listen to the vocal before this preset. Please just wait tomorrow. Please just wait. That's how the vocals are sounding without the preset. Let's now hear after the preset. Please just wait tomorrow. This preset is magic, is fire, is magic. Let's listen to these vocals without this preset again and see how these presets are magic. And you must not miss it out, my friend. Listen to these vocals without the preset. Please just wait tomorrow. And let's listen to it again with this preset. Yes. Please just wait tomorrow. Wow, this is magic. And as always, we have the frequency inserted. We have the frequency just taking away some low end rumbling and some other frequencies that are problematic as always. Yeah, that is it. Plugin number 2, we have the gate. And of course, you know what the gate is doing. Is eliminating some background voices or background noises that keeps disturbing in the silence after the vocal finished to sing. Those silence are always disturbing, so the gate always does that for us. It's like a gate man. Yeah. Plugin number 2, we have the compression. This is what we are doing. I'm using just a 3 ratio. I'm using attack, just a minimum attack, 19 milliseconds, and the auto release. Yes. After the compression, I have the saturation. I love using this. The tube. Yeah, this is my favorite saturation Cubase plugin. It's a stock plugin, but it does amazing things. Yeah. After this circulation, we have this equalization. It is very nice. It sounds natural. It sounds amazing. I love how it sounds, as you've heard the preset. Yes, after this one, we have the De-esser. Yeah, this De-esser is also best. It does what it is supposed to do. After the De-esser, we have the stereo enhancer, just giving the vocals some weight. I'm using this on chorus backing vocals, but it can also work on the lead vocals. It can work. After I know most of you are going to say, why you insert the reverb on the insert? I always do it. I always do it because Cubase simplified things. I can EQ out, I can low cut, I can high cut, some low frequency or high frequency according to the way I want it to sound. So it's not a big deal. I can just do it here. Yeah. I can just do it. But if you don't want to do it here, you can create some send and then copy this reverb and delay into a separate buses. It will still work best. Yeah. Then I have the stereo delay. Yeah, as you can see, I have left 14818, left 14. Then on the right side I have the 18, just giving the vocals some movement. Then at the end of the chain I have the maximizer, just to give it just a little boost. Yeah, let's listen to this preset again, guys, so that I show you how to, after downloading, how to load it inside here. Listen to the preset. Please just wait tomorrow. And then without the preset. Please just wait tomorrow. Very big difference. The preset is amazing. It is fire. Now let's load the preset. We're gonna unload each and everything. No. As I do this, please be subscribing. You don't have to miss this again. Now, after downloading the preset, you have to do something. You have to do one thing before. So follow step by step. Let me show you. You have to, after downloading the zip file like this one, make sure you extract it to a folder like this, Studio Doctor presets. Then go to your computer. Go to Documents, look for Steinberg, and then look for effects chain presets here. Copy this one and paste it here, just like that. Just close, come back to Cubase. Let me show you. Yeah, come back to Cubase. Make sure your vocals are routed to a bus, either a backing bus or a lead bus. So after downloading the preset, it's time to load it. Come to here where you see insert, then come to this little box here, load effects chain preset. It will bring something like this. If your tree doesn't look like this, you must come here and make sure you turn on this location tree like this. You turn it so that it shows you the folders of the presets like that. So you see, after turning it on, you see it's already showing you the folder Studio Doctor presets. It is here. Just come and select Studio Doctor Pro Vocal Clean like that. You'll see it will load. You see, the preset is here. Boom! The preset is here. It's time to enjoy. Let's enjoy this preset. Please just wait tomorrow. Thank you guys. This has been a very short video that I had for you because most of you requested for this exact preset. It will work in Cubase 12, 13, 14, 15. Enjoy the preset, and as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Kaboom! See you in the next tutorial. See you guys. Bye.